So hey guys, it's Storm458 here. Today we are unboxing our new scooter. And it's super cool. I think the wheels are for off-roading. And I like its black and blue kind of color too. I'm gonna get scissors. There, I have scissors. And I'm gonna unbox this thing.
Any scissors.
Alright. Oh yeah, I don't need scissors. Never mind. But just in case if I do, then I'm done with. Wow. Nice. Well, of course I'm gonna change the scooter height. This is exactly like my friend's scooter.
Instructions.
Yeah.
There's also something in here. Oh, there's a thingy.
There.
There's this thingy. This can fit me. This can fit me. See the
Wow.
Oh wow, this is short.
Nice.
This is short.
But wait, can I make it higher?
I think we can.
Yeah, we could.
It's too close to the ground.
Wow.
And his has a kickstand.
It makes this noise.
Yeah, which is quieter than your other scooter.
And now we're testing out our scooter. Sorry if the video stopped, because I wanted to do a part 2, which is this. Wow. Nice. Now I want to test off-roading. Go. Wow, this scooter is good at off-roading too. Wow. By the way, we have our house decorated for Halloween. Yeah. For some reason, the spider webs makes me feel like real fireworks.
There's a
And
skeleton.
there's a witch and there's a skeleton. Also, there's a skeleton on the door. And there's a bat up there. And there's a clown thingy. Yeah.
We
All right.
always do this, even for Christmas.
Anyways, that concludes our scooter video. Please like and subscribe to Sausage Storm 478. See you later. Bye.